Well, congratulations!
Thank you very much. Thank
now
you.
then, yes, and you've been competing since you were tiny.
Yeah, tiny.
Why do you enjoy competing so much?
It's just like, it's 2 days off and it's just nice coming up, bringing the lambs. Just nice to see the lambs about, really. Just like we've got 8 pairs up, these and 8 others, and we've done well with them, so it's just nice to see them about, like, really.
And what does it mean for you, winning the YFC?
Very nice, thank you. Yeah, like over the moon, really, to be honest. So yeah.
How important is it to go to YFC and develop your skills?
Oh, it is good. Like the carcasses and Kenneth trimming last night. It's just fun to see. It's all about like just carcasses and structures and like that, and then trimming.
And younger generations as well coming up, you know.
Kenneth, ti di bod yn llwyddiannus fan hyn yn y ffair dy hunan a cael enjoyo nawr I cael neud beth yr clwb yr ifanc?
Ie, mae'n rhaid, mae'n gwrdd o fe. Jyst ni'n gyd yn cael cymryd tran drwy part o fe. So,
a datblygu profiad a hyder. Llon gwerchiadau mawr. Congratulations. Da iawn.
Butchers and reserve.